Hi everyone, well, this is CoinsKid. I just want to say thank you for helping the channel get to 200,000 subs, okay? Well done to each and every single one of you for helping the community grow. We've built a fantastic community here, okay, with CoinsKid. There's so many people involved in the Telegram, the Patreon, the Discord. There's a big team that's evolving, and thank you to all the team and for everybody for contributing towards the growth of CoinsKid here. What a community. We've all built this together, okay? And the Twitter, everything, it's all good and we're moving forward. So, yeah, it's good. Big thumbs up to each and every single one of us to building a 200,000 subscriber base on YouTube. It's great. So right now, diving into Bitcoin then. Okay. We are, for transparency, September seems to be a little bit dumpy. The historical data suggests for Bitcoin and crypto that the start of September seems to be a little bit dumpy. Okay, so do anticipate that there is a bit of a dump coming soon, and that would tie up with the last 4 years in the cycle that we go through for crypto, where we do have a little bit of a sell-off. I think someone commented yesterday it's tax. I think it's something to do with tax. So do anticipate that is a little pullback that we're all anticipating and waiting for, which it could be them W bottom retests the neckline, which I think will be absolutely amazing going forward and could offer some fruitful opportunities going forward as well. So that is on the cards. Personally, I'm sort of sitting in the wings at the minute. I'm kind of waiting for that, to be honest with you. Things do look a little bit like we've got certain projects breaking out, yeah, but I do anticipate that if we do have a pullback, we've got our support levels. But one thing I want to just bring to your attention, okay, that this is from Forbes. I've just read this article this morning because basically bankers issue seismic warning Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano and XRP could replace the dollar in just 5 years as crypto market price adds 1 trillion. Okay, so I won't go too deep into this article. I'll put a link for you, okay, but bankers issue seismic warning. Now I want to tell you something. Yesterday, my auntie, bless her, Lynn, she went to the bank and she was discussing with the bank manager there and he was talking to her about this, that and the other, and so on about savings, and he said, this is the bank manager. And I swear this happened yesterday because she phoned me up last night. She phoned me up and says, Tom, you never guess what? Are you still into your crypto? And I was like, yeah, I'm doing YouTube now. So, yeah, of course I've seen you doing it. It's great and stuff like that and all that business. And she says, well, the bank manager said to me yesterday, I shouldn't really be telling you this, but you need to be buying Bitcoin. Now, what is that all about? Bank managers shouldn't be saying that, should they? So anyway, I was like, wow, what the... So I've come on Google and I'm looking, the latest Bitcoin news, and then this pops up. So that's pretty incredible. It's not like a definitive crystal ball pile into Bitcoin, but when you've got bankers saying that and you're seeing articles like this from, Forbes, which is a massive, really respectable news outlet here that's making articles like this, then are we tilting towards that shift? Are we tilting towards digitalization of money and everything like that? Are we moving towards that standard, that Bitcoin standard? So who knows? But anyway, I thought I'd do this little update on Bitcoin today. Bankers issue seismic warning Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano and XRP could replace the dollar in just 5 years as crypto market price adds $1 trillion to its market capitalization. So this is something that we've been looking at in the space, isn't it? The total market cap for Bitcoin. So this is bullish, Doesn't mean it has to go up now. Obviously, you're fully aware we can correct and enter a bear market. And at that point, if we do enter that bear market, stick with the channel because I'll show you the most optimal entry points in the bear. Okay, so I'm not saying we are in a bear market. I do believe that we're in a corrective phase of a bull market and we're looking for continuation providing we can hold support, and this is what I always say to you. Okay, so if we hold support, you don't go short, you're looking at continuation. For me, Bitcoin is really bullish. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts. So just looking at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame, and you can see that it's almost met a 1618 fib extension target here, isn't it, at $50,859, roughly that sort of area, because we're going through this corrective wave down, impulsive wave to the upside. We broke this high just there, and this is the destination, the 1618 just there, which I gave you. Okay, so far, it's moving like this beautifully. It's coming back down, resting on swing highs. Look, swing high. It's moving lovely to get there. Okay, there is a bit of a reversal pattern that's forming just there for Bitcoin. I'll show you this. Okay, so it looks as though you're breaking out already. Let's have a quick look at this. So you've got this kind of little W double bottom pattern just on the go here. Do you see this? So you've got a W bottom pattern. You're broken out of resistance, you're coming up, you're back testing on support. You run into the 1414 at the minute at 49931. Now this does have a technical target within itself. So if you do see the continuation of this support being held, this is what you're looking at for Bitcoin. Okay, you're looking at this technical target, which you can see pretty much brings you up, doesn't it, to break this high, and then you're looking at that 1618 extension being met right there. So that's good, you know, for those of you, that's a beautiful little long opportunity. Like I said to you, you break the high confirmation, you're looking at beautiful little long, and you could potentially be sitting at a 5.68% long for Bitcoin. Now as you can see, you came back up, got overextended, come back and held it as support, boom, beautiful. Like here, you've come back up, got a little bit overextended, come back and you've held this previous sort of level of consolidation here, support before continuation, and right now you are creating this little reversal pattern. Okay, so do anticipate that this is a particular level of support you do want to see held for Bitcoin right now. This just here, you may see a little double retest of that, because you can see you've come through, you've not necessarily back to the support. So if you do start to see a little roll here, you could see a little bit of support off the 20 on the hourly. This is the hourly time frame. Okay, a little bit of support off that 20, that yellow line, which would also coincide with this level of support of 49671. I think the price at the moment is 49828, so that could offer a lovely little long here. It's not much, but you know, it's all tradable events, isn't it? If you do hold that level of support, put some cheeky bids on it, because you could be looking at continuation here, but around about 2.3% for Bitcoin, bringing you up to the 1618 fib off this target here. So you know, off this low right here, because this is what it's moving up impulsively and correctively, which is amazing. So you're looking at 15% long from down there. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good for continuation, providing we can keep holding support and back testing, you know, that is support and breaking resistance. It's good. So yeah, it is looking fantastic, you know, and in all of this, look, you're making these beautiful higher highs and higher lows just there. Look, and potentially if you come up here, that you're still making a higher high. I would expect some kind of retracement if you do start to get to that, you know, to rest on this previous swing high would be lovely. So at that point, you know, when we hit that, expect a retracement. That's Bitcoin. I'll be back tomorrow, another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you once again for your support and getting the channel here to 200,000 subscribers. It's amazing, and I think we're on almost 40,000 subscribers on Twitter, and we've got loads of Patreons, which is also equally amazing. And yeah, it's all great. It's all great. Thank you for being a part of the CoinsKid community. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.